crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 3 of Soft Squares with Lynne Advent Box 25-day countdown to Christmas, however you want to call it. But first couple of days were pretty awesome, right? The day 1, we got 7 new patterns. Yesterday, we got a fat quarter set. And today we get a smaller package that says Merry Christmas, but for day 3. So let's rip into this and see what they have going on for us today. All right, all right, all right, come on. I'm more of a ripper when it comes to, but these vinyl bags and that, they just don't make it that way for us. All right, so this says B-Box Day 3. This little gadget is so cute. It has many functions and is super portable. Do you like it as much as I do? So it's nice that you get a little note in there as well. So let's put my glasses on so I can see. It's called the Metal Goose, and it's a 28mm rotary cutter with tape measure. So I have not seen these anywhere. I have a wholesale account, right? Because I have an Etsy store. So we do have a wholesale account. I haven't seen this even from some of the wholesalers in that. So it is called Metal Goose. And it says that it is a 28mm rotary cutter with tape measure. So it actually comes with instructions for some folks that couldn't figure out how to do this. And so that's nice. But she put the Soft Squares label on it, right? So it's been opened, and um, nice that she put her label on it, right? So we know where and who this came from. And let's see. Oh, here it is. Look how cute that is, guys. So it is a small rotary cutter. And how awesome is that? Okay, so a little different. And then, oh, and then the tape measure to go with it. So I tell you what, I've got the quilting retreat coming up. This will probably get tossed in maybe that bag, but this is pretty adorable. I'm learning to get a lot of things in pink now, and that's fine too. I prefer purple lavender, but um, I like this. This is really different. It's something unique. And she says that this was a $13 retail value. So I'm assuming you might be able to go to softsquares.com and get this. And if so, I'm assuming it would be around $12.95 to purchase. So again, so far, 3 for 3. Happy with what's going on. Kind of like this. This is definitely different. So, guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being on today. I hope you are enjoying the unboxings that I am doing. Please hit that thumbs up, the bell to be notified, all those things YouTube likes. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.